নমস্কার, আপনি কেমন আছে? আমি খুব ভালো আছে. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pick Up Books. I am Komal and welcome to a reading vlog. You might have guessed it from the title itself. This is a reading vlog where I read Bengali literature. The Bengali author that I picked is Rabindranath Tagore. I have been obsessed with Bengali literature, I think since 2 or 3 years ago when I first read Jhumpa Lahiri's Unaccustomed Earth. I was so smitten by the writing, the setting, the Bengali immigrants moving to America, the whole culture. I was literally so obsessed with Bengali literature, and I got the short story collection of Rabindranath Tagore. So here it is. So this is a short story collection, and this actually came in this kind of a box set, and there are 5 such books. So let me just show it to you. This is the first, that is The Post Office, which I finished reading. This is My Boyhood Days, which I'm currently reading, and this is The Gardener. Then there is Geetanjali, and then there is Mashi and Other Stories. So there are in total 5 books, and I thought I'll read them during this weekend. Maybe not all 5, but at least let me cover 3 of them. So the first book that I read is this, The Post Office. It's a very tiny book. Around 33 pages. And this is actually a play written by Rabindranath Tagore, and this play consists of 2 acts. This is actually the first play that I've read. I read Shakespeare's play, but it was part of the syllabus, I think. But apart from this, I've never read any play. So yeah, I don't know how to judge a play, but I love reading this book. This is about a guy named Amal. He is sick and doctor has prescribed him to stay indoors, but he is so much interested with the outer world. He goes and talks to Watchman, the flower guy, the milk guy, and the way he talks, the way he imagines the world is so pleasant, and it's a really nice read, and it's so short, and it's a really, feel good kind of a book. I really like this. Yeah, actually this play was written shortly after Tagore lost his son, daughter and wife to diseases. So it portrays the state of mind of a human in the state of disease-induced helplessness and tries to suggest an alternative to weakness. It's a magical journey towards a spiritual goal and narrative full of deep symbolism. So I really like this. So this is my first pick for Bengali literature. And the second pick is My Boyhood Days. This book was actually written by Rabindranath Tagore when he was 80 years old. He was reflecting on how his adolescence year was, and oh my god, I love his writing. I've literally underlined so many lines. You can see over here. Yeah, this part I've underlined like this. Almost the whole book is kind of underlined. I love his writing, the way he expresses himself in those poetic lines. Though he was not actually this poetic when he was really small, like 4 or 5 years old, he was actually lagging behind other kids, where other kids were reciting sentences, he was still stuck at words. But later he found his poetry, he found that calling, and he started writing, I guess, around 14 or 15 years old, and people loved to read his poetry. He used to write songs and poetry, and the way he describes the words is full of life. You cannot even imagine that this is a memoir written by an 80-year-old man talking about his adolescence. You will never think like that, because it's like you are actually in the character's shoes. It's like you are acting like Rabindranath Tagore while he was young, and it's really hard to imagine such a great personality being a small kid and also making mistakes and learning through them. It's so beautiful to actually read this book. I read around 74 pages, so there's hardly 10 pages left, so I'll finish this pretty soon. So along with reading books, I thought I'll add a little essence to this reading vlog by watching a Bengali movie. I went on the internet and it suggested me to watch Pathar Panchali. I didn't know about this movie, okay? Sorry about that, but I didn't know about this movie. And I went in without any expectation and I watched Pathar Panchali by Satyajit Ray. Oh my god, it is one of my favorite movie till now. I don't have a favorite movie as such because I'm not a movie buff. I don't really watch many movies, and if I watch them, I just watch it for the entertainment sake of it and then forget about it. But this movie has stayed with me even after watching it. I love watching this movie. The way every scene dissolves into another scene is so beautifully made. The characters, the way they are portrayed, the whole setting of 1950s where people are going through poverty. It is so much moving, and even if you are a non-Bengali, even if you don't understand the language well, it is really easy to watch, trust me, because the way it is communicated, it's not just by words, but it is through human emotion. You just see the emotion on these characters' face and you will actually get to know what is happening, the whole scene, what they are actually going through. It's so much more evident just by looking at the emotions of these characters. Obviously, it is the subtitles are available. This movie is the first part of the trilogy, The Appu, and there are 2 more movies. This trilogy is actually based on the works of Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay's works, and Satyajit Ray has directed this trilogy, and this was the first movie that he directed. And I am on a mission to actually watch all of his works and read all of his works because I am literally a fangirl right now. I loved the way he has done this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Just go and watch it, okay? Right now, just go on Amazon Prime. It's available on it. Go watch it. And if you are a Bengali or if you watched Bengali movies, please suggest me because I am swooning over Bengali literature right now. So I'll update about my reading updates later on, okay? So I just finished reading My Boyhood Days by Rabindranath Tagore. This is a memoir, but I won't say that it's a complete memoir. It's not every detail of Rabindranath Tagore, but he has written in a way that you actually know him as a person, his thoughts, his feelings, and the way he has led his adolescence, his boyhood days. And the title, the My Boyhood Days, is so elegant. Like, even in the title, he did not leave his poetry to waste. He has used his poetry to the maximum extent, and this book is brimming with his poetry, and I love each and every line of this book. Later on, if I just want to just read Rabindranath Tagore's, I'll pick this book up and read any one story. This has 14 stories, short stories. So I'll just read one story and I'll be like, oh my god, this is the writing that I need in my life. Obviously, I will talk about one quote because if there is not a quote, is it even my video, right? So here it is. I love this quote. I was torn up by the roots and transplanted from one soil to another and had to get acclimatized to a new mental atmosphere. At first, my shyness was a stumbling block at every turn. I wondered how I should keep my self respect among all these new acquaintances. It was not easy to habituate myself to strange surroundings, yet there was no means of escape from them. In such a situation, a boy of my temperament was bound to find his path, a rough one. I'll always go through this code if I am in a very uncomfortable situation or if I'm put into something where I don't want to, which happens most of the cases. So this code is gonna stay with me and this book as well. So next I'll be picking up, let's see, The Post Office and My Boyhood Days are done. And I have 3 more books. I think I'll go for The Gardener because this is a short one among these 3. This is kind of a poetry. So it is a collection of 85 Bengali poems in prose translation dedicated to W.B. Yeats. His poems in Gitanjali having earned him a pride of place, this book was an attempt to bring his other poems into light. He brings together poems from volumes like Shanika, Kariyo Komal, Mansashi and Mayer Khela. These are simpler poems closer to reality, centering on the beauty and enchantment of love. This is a collection of poems. So yeah, I'll be diving into this, and this is kind of my first poetry book. Oh my god, there are so much first thing. This is my first play. This is my first poetry book, and as well as Bengali literature, first Bengali movie I watched. A lot of first times in this reading vlog. So I'll read this and I'll update about it. Welcome to day 2 of reading vlog. I just finished shooting a video and I didn't really have time to read this. That is The Gardener by Rabindranath Tagore. It's a poetry collection. But last night I read few poems. I did not complete the whole poetry book, and I have one question for you. If you're reading a poetry book, do you read all the poems or do you just randomly read whichever catches your eye, whichever you like to read? So let me know how you read poetry book, because your input will definitely help me to read more poetry books. And the title is The Gardener, and the theme also revolves around flowers, harvesting, blossoming, spring, autumn gardens and stuff like that. So it's really pleasant to read this poetry collection. And I think I'll end my vlog over here because I've been said that my vlogs are really long to watch. So I'll try to cut this short. So I am trying to figure out which days of the week should I upload videos. So previously it was very inconsistent, very spontaneous. The day I edited, I would just upload it, no matter if I just uploaded a video 2 days back. So I just go very random on uploading, but I thought I'll just make a nice schedule. So what I'm planning to do is to upload videos 2 days a week on Wednesday and Saturday. This video will go on Wednesday, I think, and I just shot the Saturday video because my college is starting. I was saying school. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? So my college is starting and I don't really know how to actually manage things. So yeah, I'm trying to do things as much as I can, and I'll try to be consistent with it. 2 days a week seems good, right? So yeah, this will be on Wednesday. So I hope you had a good Wednesday. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.